Let me introduce the first speaker for today. We have CA Darshan Dagli with us. CA Darshan Dagli is a tech-savvy chartered accountant and founder partner of DD&D and Associates, a CA firm with head office in Ahmedabad and branch office at Surat. Darshan heads indirect taxation and tech-enabled practice in DD&D. Darshan's vision is to make DD&D a paperless CA firm running on autopilot mode and make it grow in tech-enabled practice area. He truly believes that truth lies in code and technology. So with these words, we have CA Darshan Dagli with us. I hand over to him.
Good morning to all of you, all of the Jamku user to connect attendees. Just I want to note a general disclaimer that neither we are anyway interested in Jamku Madrecha solution, nor we are soliciting any work through this platform. Through that kind note, I'm starting my presentation. First of all, I want to introduce that why we choose a Jamku. Basically, I truly believe that discipline is always greater than motivation. Which I want to describe is that we cannot always be motivated by ourselves. We need to have a discipline in time, because always practicing CA run behind of time. They need a more and more time. So in order to have a more time, I think we need some practice management solution so that satisfy our needs, because time always start with a closing balance, and time is very crucial to become a flexible, systematic and dynamic in order to have a good practice. Basically, I want to say that if we use a Excel or any free tools, it will not satisfy us. So we decided to go with Jamku. Our journey with Jamku starts with Jamku version 2, but we truly start most using it after introduction of a to-do feature in Jamku version 3. So without wasting much time, I'm truly diving into that feature. To-dos, we use this to-do feature of the Jamku so that our whole procedures, our whole standard operating procedures is cultivated in this to-do. It catalyst as a checklist for our team members, so they can know their role and responsibility. If you can check my screen, this is a sample list of GSTR 3B to-dos. Okay, so this is the procedure we adopted here. The benefit we achieve over is that we achieve a learning curve effect, which gradually reduce our time in performing this GSTR 3B task. And later on, it doesn't comprise with the quality, but surely reduce the time required to every time complete a GSTR 3B. Thus, this is a sample checklist of this to-do. Going ahead, we also have a sub to-dos, which we incorporate in description portion of a Jamku. Like you can see that we have a detailed list down the procedure for how to prepare a GSTR 3B return in a software. Going ahead, we use a maker checker concept in our work. So in this GSTR 3B illustration, you can see that the Kuldeep Shah is a maker and Suhani Shah is a checker. So they both know their role, what they have to do. Every time we need not to define their work, their responsibility. It makes their role and responsibility very clear. And I think this maker checker concept is very interesting, that it helps us a lot to save our time and provide a quality output to our clients. So major feature we presently use is this to-do concept. Going ahead, we need to track a time, how much time we devote behind our client. So I was literally requesting others to just have some time tracking automated. So before just, I think a couple of months, they introduced this feature and we heavily use this feature, that whatever our team member start a work, they need to record a time by automating time tracking. Here we give a number system to to-dos which start with 0. It does not require to enter a time. Time is not required to be entered for to-do starting with 0, as it is an important to do, but it doesn't devote a time. Other than 0, we also bifurcate our to-dos as it will be easy to track at time. So for whole work, we can know that how much time we are devoting towards our client. So ultimately, it helps to know the cost of work which we incur towards each client, that each work. Then this is one of the field dashboard which we really love to use. After completing a task, whenever a task is completed, we need to monitor some activity. Like say, for example, in income tax return, we have made some field in that after filing of income tax return, our team member need to fill that fields. These fields are like acknowledgement number, refund claim, refund is processed or not, intimation order received, refund received, refund received. This easily helps to partner or a senior associate to track the status of task after completing it. This is a very important thing which we find in a Zamku. Going ahead, communication with a client. We have integrated our WhatsApp business app with a Zamku. That I'll show you a demo by this video clip. That in profile segment, we can directly open this WhatsApp web, and we can use it to communicate with a client. You can just see the demo. By clicking this, it automatically opens the WhatsApp, and we can just ask the clients to share the details on WhatsApp. Apart from WhatsApp, Outlook is also integrated. So here we can also email directly from Zamku itself. Apart from that, we also uses this shortcuts. You can see the small clip on that we can configure cloud or a local drive on this Zamku. It's enable us to easily remember this locations. Our team member also use this calendar feature heavily. They know the deadlines in a single screen, at which date they have to perform a which task, so they can plan in advance that how they have to plan their work. Apart from that, which I would like to also mention, that I not have a PPT slide, but we use a password field also heavily, that if you want to save it other than a normal password, not for income tax or like we are using a OneDrive. So to save a password of a OneDrive, it is also helpful to save that easily. And we really save all the password at a one location, and really helps us a lot. So that kind note, I have shared the major features which we uses. I really thanks Team Zamku to providing me this opportunity. Really, thank you, and happy Independence Day.